Today on the Galley, grilled corn and tomato salad. Now, I gotta say, I was kind of torn between if I wanted to do basil or mint. And honestly, I think I ended up doing a little bit of both. So I'm probably gonna do about 2 tablespoons of fresh basil and maybe 2 teaspoons of mint. Mint can get overpowering really fast, so I don't want too much of that. I'm gonna chiffonade all of that. Then I have a 1 green onion. I'm going to dice that up as well. I actually think a red onion would be nice here as well. I'm going to mince some garlic. I think I'm probably just going to do half of this. This is a big clove of garlic. Now, because I'm putting feta, I'm not going to put too much kosher salt, but I am going to put just a little. You can always taste it before you serve it after that feta sat in there to make sure it doesn't get overly salty. And then white pepper here, I'm going to go probably 1/4 of a teaspoon. Now the corn I grilled last night for dinner, and I did extra on purpose. One is because I wanted to check it all before we left the dock so I could have their trash can for it. And 2, so we would have it for 2 nights. And I decided tomorrow night is going to be in a salad form. Now, I'm going to use a rose balsamic vinegar. This my friend gave me, and I think it's amazing. But honestly, and you can see it's kind of got like a blush color to it. It's really good. But now, I know everybody doesn't have that, and I think you could do red wine, white wine. You could even do a little rice vinegar if you wanted something a little sweeter. And I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon. I can come back and add more. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to do about 1/4 cup of my feta. So now the corn was so delicious last night. Honestly, first corn for us of the season, and it was delicious. From the farm stand that I went to, this is their devotion corn. I don't know if you can see out the window. We'll go up that way in the morning when we leave, and try to do another at least 50 miles. So it's nice when dinner has been prepped for you. And this is such an easy salad. So if you're grilling corn anyway, grill some extra, make this salad. Or just grill corn for this salad. Now, if you grill it for this salad, do let it cool down. I don't know if you can hear, there's still a little bit of rumbling out there. But, I mean, we hadn't had the anchor down 5 minutes and a rainstorm came, and it was amazing. We love it. We have a tank out back, and from the roof of the boat we have a hose that fills that tank up, and it actually has a water heater, you know, one of those non-water water heaters on demand. So we love filling that thing up because we'll take showers out there and stuff at night. So it was a little bit low. We had taken showers last night, so we were happy to top it back off. I think I'm just going to give them like a little wedge going on. So Billy does not like fresh tomatoes. I'm taking the seeds out. It's the seeds he really doesn't like, I think. He's not a fan. He will eat everything made with a tomato. He just won't eat the fresh tomato. And I could, if it was really fresh tomatoes, I think I could survive on a tomato sandwich. So probably tomorrow I will take most of the tomatoes. So because of that, I'm not going to do too many tomatoes. These are tiny. So I think you could do 3 or 2, depending on how you like tomatoes. So I think I'm just going to stop at 2 here, since it'll be mostly me that eats the tomatoes. But I thought with corn season coming up, summer coming up, we needed a nice corn salad. I think I might do a little more vinegar. But this is not something that you want like sitting in a bunch of dressing. Just a really easy light dressing for this. Just a hair. Ooh, or more. So, very good. I think I'm going to wait. For me right now, it needs just a little salt. But I think with that feta in there sitting overnight, I think I'm going to wait and taste it. Can you hear the rain? Another little shower coming through. So I think I'm going to wait till we have it for dinner tomorrow night and serve it. But grilled corn, tomato, and feta salad. It's delicious. I'll see y'all later. Bye.